So I'll make sure it's playing. So ayan, nag-play. So good day guys. Ngayon mag-unbox ulit tayo ng another package. And today, alam niyo na, kasi 'di ba last time we opened Kingdra box. And last year we opened, may ingay na naman. Wala na naman akong mic guys. Unboxing. Green Ninja. And today we bought something new na i-unbox natin later. So mas unahin natin unbox. So the Kingdra box is so salty. Walang ganong hits. Hindi, walang ganong, wala talagang hits. Meron lang isang EX. Hindi worth it unless gusto mo talaga si Kingdra. Or hindi, worth it na rin dahil sa promo card. Kumbaga, ano na lang, ano yan? Mantika. Teka lang eh. Late naman ito. 1, 2, 3, 4 lang pala. 4 lang na packs. King Gambit illustration rare. Yung iba 5 eh. Ito 4 lang. Tama. Sige. Guys, hindi pa nagwa 1,000 views yung isang video natin. Yung step by step na pupunta sa PSA yung mga cards. Pero mamibigay pa rin tayo ngayon ng giveaway. So, yung nanalo for today's video is si Sir SC83744. So, mamaya Sir, papadala ko na yung mga panalunan mo. So, sana matuwa ka. Is simple ano lang to, hits and bulks. Pero if gusto mo ng nyo ng ano, ng mga slabs, mga hits, just join our membership. Pwede, pag nag-avail kayo ng grading sa akin, 50% discount agad. Plus, pwede kayong manalo ng mga slabs. So, ganun tayo dito guys. So, yun muna yung mga ano natin. So, ito yung napanalunan mo sir. Screamtail, si Palossand, ayan, mga random hits, and mga bulks. So, enjoy sir. Thank you for your support. And I hope you always be there for. Thank you. And yun nga guys, ito yung mga example ng mga pwede nyo mapanalunan. Hindi ito own collection ko to eh. Pero yung ganito, mga graded cards. So be a member na guys. Marami pa akong pamimigay na ipapagrade pa lang. So asahan natin kapag gumsbong talaga tayo, mamimigay tayo marami. Basta magkaroon lang tayo ng 10, ang tawag dito, 10 muna, 10 muna, 10 member. Kapag na-reach natin yun, pwede na tayong mamigay ng slabs. So yun muna, then papadala ko muna pala to, then open ko na to mamaya, kauwi. Sa February 8 birthday ni mama, so bumili tayo ng kanyang gift. So open na natin to guys. Napagay, bili ko eh.
改札前の人並みかき分けてバタバタと今日も一日が始まる満員電車に揺られて日常は流れてくリアルは意外と単調なドラマ悩みは絶えずに心散らかしたままでふと見上げた空にため息ちょっと立ち止まってみてよありのままの君が一番素敵迷う日も嬉しい日も君でいてほしいからほんの少し自分好きにな なれるそんな瞬間を大切にしていてきっといつか気づけるはずありのままの君が一番素敵だってありのままの君が一番素敵迷う日も嬉しい日も君でいてほしいからほんの少し自分好きになれるそんな瞬間を大切にしていてきっといつか気づけるはずありのままの君が一番素敵だって
Let's go, guys! So, welcome back, guys. So, we're gonna open this Shrouded Fable King Gambit collection box. We opened 2 collection box already, the Green Ninja, the Kingdra, and this one, King Gambit. So, later papakita ko lahat ng promo card niya. So, but first, we're gonna open this. So, we have 4 packs of Shrouded Fables and 3 promo cards. Poniard and B-Sharp. And of course, King Gambit. Ang hirap naman open ito, guys. What a promo card. So, let me take out muna dito, then sleeve na natin and lalagyan na natin semi-rigid. Ipapakita ko lahat ng mga promo ng collection box ng Shrouded Fables. So, ito yung ating promo card, si King Gambit and si B-Sharp, si Poniard. And inopen natin nung nakaraan is sila si Horsey, Sidra, and Kingdra. Ito special illustration rare. Ito illustration rare lang. And the most favorite of all time, the Green Ninja set. So this one, so maganda yung collection box ng Shrouded Fables. So we have 4 packs of Shrouded. The special illustration rare are 5 packs, so this is only 4 packs. So we got only 1 pull. Hopefully this one we will have decent pulls. Let's go, guys. Strike 1, so no pulls yet. Hi, Shrouded Fables. I don't have any pulls. Another one, strike 2. Second to the last pack. Hopefully something good. So Shrouded Fable is 1-year set na sa April, I think. So ito yung lumabas before, oh my god, no hits again. Before, what do you call that? Twilight Masquerade. So last pack, Magic.
And
so 4 packs, no pulls.
EX.
Let's see if we're gonna hit something. So that's it, guys. Another collection box, another EX na naman. So we don't have great pulls there, but okay lang. At least we got the King Gambit illustration rare.
Another day. Sige lang. Sige pang last na.
So after that, I bought a 1-pack Magic to Rip and Chip. Actually, I bought 3 packs. So this is my main hit on this 3-pack magic. And
Whoosh!
anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.